Hi. My name is Jamie Wheeler. Welcome to my Fat Girl Fitness channel. I'm here to help guide you through your weight loss journey, so stay with me and let's do this together. Introduction. In the relentless pursuit of effective weight loss solutions, individuals often find themselves exploring various options to shed those extra pounds and improve their overall health. One such promising player in the field is Ozempic, a medication primarily used for managing type 2 diabetes. Surprisingly, it has shown significant potential in aiding weight loss as a side effect. In this video, we'll delve into the details of Ozempic, its mechanism of action, and how it might be a game changer for those on the weight loss journey. Understanding Ozempic. Ozempic, or semaglutide, belongs to a class of medications known as glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, receptor agonists. Initially developed to regulate blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes, Ozempic has gained attention for its remarkable impact on weight loss. The drug works by mimicking the effects of a naturally occurring hormone called GLP-1, which is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels and inducing a feeling of fullness. Mechanism of action. The primary mechanism of Ozempic revolves around its influence on the body's insulin production and glucose utilization. By activating the GLP-1 receptor, the medication stimulates insulin release from the pancreas, reducing blood sugar levels. Additionally, Ozempic slows down the rate at which the stomach empties, promoting a sense of fullness and reducing appetite. Weight loss benefits. While Ozempic was originally designed to address diabetes, its weight loss benefits have been a pleasant surprise for many users. Clinical trials have demonstrated that individuals using Ozempic experience more significant weight loss compared to those on a placebo. The weight loss observed is attributed to a combination of reduced calorie intake due to increased satiety and improved glucose metabolism. Dosage and administration. Ozempic is typically administered as a once-weekly injection, making it a convenient option for those with busy lifestyles. The recommended starting dose is usually 0.25 mg once a week, with the option to increase to half a milligram and then 1.0 mg based on individual response. It's crucial to follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding the dosage and administration of Ozempic. Side effects and considerations. Like any medication, Ozempic comes with potential side effects. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. These symptoms are usually mild and tend to subside as the body adjusts to the medication. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you experience persistent or severe side effects. It's crucial to note that Ozempic is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and its effectiveness can vary from person to person. Before starting any weight loss regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to determine if Ozempic is a suitable option for your individual health needs. Lifestyle changes. While Ozempic can be a valuable tool in the journey towards weight loss, it's not a magic bullet. Adopting a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity is crucial for long-term success. Ozempic should complement, not replace, a healthy lifestyle. Dietary considerations. A well-balanced diet remains a cornerstone of any successful weight loss journey. Focus on incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limiting processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive calorie intake is essential for optimizing the weight loss benefits of Ozempic. Physical activity. Regular physical activity is another vital component of a healthy lifestyle and weight loss strategy. Engage in a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to promote overall fitness. Consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider to create a personalized exercise plan that aligns with your health goals. Monitoring progress. Tracking your progress is crucial for staying motivated and making necessary adjustments to your weight loss plan. Regularly monitor your weight, body measurements, and overall well-being. Keep in touch with your healthcare provider to discuss any concerns, adjustments to your treatment plan, or changes in medication dosage. Conclusion: Ozempic presents an intriguing avenue for individuals seeking effective weight loss solutions, especially those with type 2 diabetes. Its dual benefits of blood sugar regulation and appetite control make it a unique player in the weight loss landscape. However, it's essential to approach Ozempic as part of a comprehensive strategy that includes lifestyle modifications, dietary changes, and regular physical activity. Before incorporating Ozempic into your weight loss journey, consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it aligns with your individual health needs and goals. Remember, the path to weight loss is a personalized journey, and with the right guidance, determination, and support, positive transformations are within reach.